Introduction. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in cooking, has gained attention for its active compound, curcumin. This powerful antioxidant is believed to play a significant role in promoting cognitive function and overall brain health. As more people seek natural remedies to enhance mental clarity and memory, curcumin has emerged as a promising option. Research suggests that curcumin may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, potentially leading to improved cognitive performance. With the growing interest in holistic approaches to wellness, understanding the benefits of turmeric and curcumin could be a game changer for those looking to boost their brain health naturally. What is turmeric? Turmeric, a bright yellow spice derived from the Curcuma longa plant, has a rich history rooted in traditional medicine. In Ayurvedic practices and traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric has been revered for its anti-inflammatory and healing properties for centuries. Beyond its medicinal uses, turmeric is a staple in various cuisines, adding flavor and color to dishes like curries, rice, and soups across the globe. The active compound curcumin is what gives turmeric its vibrant hue and is primarily responsible for its numerous health benefits. By understanding turmeric's origins and applications, we can appreciate its significance not only in cooking but also in promoting overall well-being. Curcumin, the active ingredient. Curcumin, the primary active ingredient in turmeric, is celebrated for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, curcumin may help protect brain cells from damage. Research has shown promising results regarding curcumin's impact on neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, suggesting it could slow disease progression and improve overall brain health. Additionally, studies indicate that curcumin may enhance cognitive function and elevate mood, making it a potential ally in mental wellness. As interest in natural supplements grows, understanding curcumin's role in supporting brain health could lead to innovative approaches for maintaining cognitive vitality as we age. Scientific research on curcumin and brain health. Numerous clinical trials and research studies have highlighted the benefits of curcumin for brain health. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in older adults. Another significant study from the University of California, Los Angeles, indicated that curcumin could reduce the accumulation of amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. These findings suggest that curcumin may play a crucial role in preventing cognitive decline and promoting brain health. Notable researchers, such as Dr. Gary Small, have been at the forefront of this research, emphasizing the potential of curcumin as a natural intervention for enhancing cognitive function and overall mental well-being. How to incorporate turmeric into your diet? Incorporating turmeric into your daily meals can be both delicious and beneficial for your health. Consider trying recipes like golden milk, a soothing blend of turmeric, milk, and spices, or turmeric rice, which adds a vibrant color and flavor to your dishes. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, it's beneficial to pair turmeric with black pepper, as piperin, the active compound in black pepper, can increase curcumin's bioavailability significantly. If making dietary changes feels challenging, exploring curcumin supplements can be a convenient alternative to ensure you're reaping its health benefits. With these simple tips, you can easily enjoy the advantages of turmeric in your everyday diet. Potential side effects and considerations. While turmeric and curcumin offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive issues, such as bloating or upset stomach, and allergic reactions, though these are relatively rare. Additionally, curcumin can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, increasing the risk of bleeding. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals before starting any supplements, especially if you are on medication or have underlying health conditions. By discussing your plans with a doctor, you can ensure that incorporating turmeric and curcumin into your routine is safe and beneficial for your overall health. Conclusion. In summary, turmeric and its active compound curcumin offer remarkable benefits for brain health. including enhanced cognitive function and potential protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Incorporating these powerful ingredients into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes nutritious foods, regular exercise, and mindfulness practices can amplify these benefits. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who might also be interested in improving their health. Stay tuned for more insightful content on natural remedies and wellness tips.